السلام عليكم أنت وحنجوبة شكل youth center. Welcome to the Ra Iriso. Guys, I used to be around with the class, and I'm really happy that being with them has exposed a lot of them to the outside world, especially one came to play with me. That means we are doing a great job. I hope and believe that in the coming no time soon be able to turn this young guy something good and share about our lessons. So we need your support to be able to make this area. Ghana has been wonderful in the case, and I think he needs to be applauded for that. I think football is all about training, and they say if you have the foundation. That's why we are trying to let this young chap be able to know the basics of the game, to get out from race and those who try my possible best to be able to let them be used to those basics of the game, so that we will be able to pick it up from there to the next level. I think the boys have been operating since we started, and I love the way they are always whatever you bring up, they are always ready to for us. What we need is your support to be able to go far. Inshallah, Tartib, we are going to get there. I also hope and pray that they just continue to give up their best, remain disciplined and focused, and whatever they are always being taught or trained during training ground. Inshallah, we are going to do our best, like I said, to make sure that they become good future players. I was joined by a colleague player called Joshua, and Somali Europe-based coach who just came. He also assists with the basic materials. I think with that, it is going to help a lot. Improving the skills or technique in the game. We are going to do our best, like I keep saying, but we need the support. Amoudi! Bukani has been trying his best, doing whatever possible to make sure that these guys are able to get the best business to be able to grow up and become better footballers. And one thing I like about them is their motto, they said they are promoting peace through soccer, and I think it is something that attracted me them. Because in life, everything is about peace. When there is peace in everywhere, there is always unity and stuff. That's one of the reasons I like to be with them. We started with our passing drills, as well as training and movement. So I think it was amazing time with them. Like I said, their preparation is very good. So I have few of those I used to deal with for the past 2 seasons. Because they already know what I used to do. They are cooked very well. Some of them are even using themselves as example. But sometimes when I immediately demonstrate, they know what I want. Even though the language barrier was perfect. One difficult thing. But those I have been with for the past 2 years, they already know the drill. So when I want to just, when I started, they just know what I want and they explain to the others. So that's the unique aspect of the game. Because football has one language. And it is really promoting peace and unity among them, even though they came from different tribes, different communities. But like they say, football is a unifier. It's bringing a lot of people together from diverse grounds. No matter where you are from, no matter the tribe or the town you are from, but when you are in the same team, you have one goal effort, which is winning mentality. And you can win without being able to prepare your side very well. So those are some of the things we started trying to implement in them, because discipline and that winning mentality is one key thing every up-and-coming footballer needs to have. If you don't have discipline, I think you are lacking one of the most important aspects. Really, they are trying their best. I always urge them to keep to their prayers, because that is very important in every human life. No matter what you are doing, but you must always make sure that you are serious with your prayers. That can take you very far. So those are some of the things we are trying to implement in them. Because when those few things are in them, it will be easier for us passing and receiving them, diagonal passing and this stuff. Some of the things I be really surprised me, because some of these programs, having those who are mature in the game, you are giving them some of the programs, it takes time to get used to. But this, within 2-3 examples, they were able to pick it up. It's amazing. Like I said, everything you need is your support to keep going. Because when you want to be successful, you need to have certain basic things in order to be able to go far. Like keep supporting us, yes, what we need is to do, subscribe more, See how their touches is moving. If they tell you they just started using time with them, and I always enjoy whenever I'm around them, because one of my main objectives is so let's try as much as possible to support very soon, inshallah, we are going to realize our so, like I said, not only here that I always do when I'm back home in Ghana, I have that I also be your support, your advice, so that we'll be able to keep improving this jobs to go higher. I think we ended, we are almost ending now. With some small-sided game, which was an amazing experience. And a lot of these guys will be able to play that. They surprised
Ahora veo WhatsApp.
that I should come
ibambide babandune yewo ibambide babandune yewo ibambide babandune Beina bandune bere Dune bere beina bandune bere Imachi budari beina bandune bere Beina bandune bere Dune bere beina bandune bere Imachi budari beina bandune bere Yewo beina bandune Dana namwe kinanuma kumabuye Harayala jana bahu Dana namwe kinanuma Dana kinanuma kumabuye Harayala jana bahu Ibambide babandune Ibambide babandune Yewe ibambide babandune Ibambide babandune Yewe ibambide babandune Yewe ibambide babandune Beina bandune berea Dune bere beina bandune bere Imachi budari beina bandune bere Beina bandune berea Dune bere beina bandune bere Imachi budari beina bandune bere Yewo beina bandune Dana namwe kinanuma kumabuye Harayala jana bahu